people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully you guys are doing good and everyone is okay. Time is extremely hot. Hey, what God? Before we do anything, people, see that up there? That there? Yeah. We're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. We're getting there. We're really close, people. We're extremely close. And I want you guys to help us get there. Alright, so Jamaica 2, El Salvador 5. The Reggae Girlz certainly did not turn up for this one. I want to say you can say you saw a little bit of fight, but the real fight that I normally see from the Reggae Girlz, for some reason, I did not see tonight. And I have to say, it was a tough game. I understand it was a tough game. When you look at the El Salvador players, they look more mature. They look more mature because there's not an age limit. There's not really an age limit in this competition for the women. The El Salvador players look more mature, look as if they're older players. But I do believe that we have seen better from most of our players. I do think that even like Chanel Buckley, I didn't see the real Chanel Buckley. I didn't see the Buckley that I know. She looked a bit, maybe could be tiredness, but she was being bullied right through from the start of the game. She was being bullied right through it. Some of the goals they conceded were a bit comical. I have to say, poor defending. We have to do a lot better where defending is concerned. I do believe that Atkins had a hard night. It was a bit tough on her tonight. And I'm pretty hopeful that she would have watched back this game and see where she made her errors and maybe sharpen up on those smaller aspects of her game. Other than that, I do think that the performance was below par from what I expected from the Reggae Girlz. I did expect a lot better from that. I'm not saying that we should come out and blew El Salvador away, but some minor aspects of the game, some miscontrol, mispass, heavy touch there, heavy touch here, I do believe that we can sharpen those areas out and just make it a bit cleaner. That's maybe one of the reasons why Gilbert went on to make an early substitution in bringing on Powell, just to gain back a bit of control in the midfield, some cleaner passes, some sharper passes. And as you said, as the game continues, you realize that the El Salvador team gain momentum. They know when to recycle the ball. They played a lot of experience and a lot of maturity. Of course, I have to say, on their side of things, they scored some good goals. Screamer, a free kick. Some really good goals. Some top striker type of goal, like going on the edge and getting something like that. So me a sweat, time hot, people, time hot. Yeah, so I'm not going to go no further, not going no too longer, because me a sweat, time too hot. So definitely I do think that the girls should rewatch this game and just look at how they perform and just assess themselves. I do think that the coach they're going to do that and come back again. But it was below par performance from me. I've seen better individual performances from these players. Collectively, we expected a better performance. Not saying that we shouldn't lose 5-2, but sometimes it's in nature and how you lose 5-2. We didn't really show that. Even at halftime when the girls came out to do that warm-up, the body language was not right with me. I could be reading it wrong, but I didn't like the body language. We have that defeated mentality already, it seems, from halftime. And we just really struggle to get back into the game, get a foothold into the game, or even try to make an impact. Atkinson really scored a very good goal. I have to say, congrats again. She just can't top score. That's her nature. But I'm expecting to see a bit more in the next matchup. So that is it for me. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Pretty much a poor performance from me. I think in overall. Hopefully we can see a better performance in the next upcoming game. Assess this game. Look at where you went wrong and see what happened. So people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Tell us what you think in the comment section. This has been a good one. MG Sports TV. Peace out and God bless. Music.